Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model S rear door panel. Begin by lowering the window and disconnecting the 12V negative terminal to prevent shorts. Work in a well-lit, ventilated area and keep small containers for screws and clips. Follow a calm, step-by-step approach, using trim tools to avoid scratching paint or plastic. Take photos as you go to ease reassembly and double-check all electrical connectors before closing the door. Gather your tools and clear a workspace before starting the door panel removal. Use plastic trim tools to pry clips gently and avoid damage to trim surfaces. A T20 driver and a 10mm socket will handle most fasteners, while a magnetic tray keeps parts organized. Photograph each step for reference and label connectors if needed. Move slowly when peeling back vapor barriers to avoid tearing them, which could cause water intrusion later. Quick recommendation: grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your Model S smelling great while you work on panels. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps us make more content. I personally hang one near the console after reassembly to mask workshop odors and keep the cabin pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by popping the armrest cover and removing hidden screws with a T20 driver, then remove any visible fasteners. Use a plastic trim tool to work the panel free from its clips, applying even pressure along the lower edge. Once loose, lift the panel to clear the window ledge and gently pull it away to access wiring harnesses. Disconnect connectors and the door handle cable last, and set the panel aside on a soft surface to prevent scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.